quick reading for January the 25th to the 26th. Pisces, we have the Tower, the King of Cups, the Lovers. So, ilang beses nating inantay, no? We failed probably. There may be some things na ginawa din natin. We didn't made it come to fruition. Kumbaga kinimkim muna natin, no? Parang sinabi natin, sarilinin ko na lang kaya muna, no? Itong aking mga plans. And it felt like meron kasi ditong nanggugulo or nagpapagulo sa isip mo. So, isolating yourself kind of gives you a clearer view of what needs to be done. And it felt like sa hindi mo pagkwento kasi bakit yung kinikwentuhan mo, ginijinx din naman or gumagawa talaga ng paraan para hindi ito mangyari. So with the Lovers in here, nakikita natin na siguro idirekta na lang natin, no? And I think that this is the time wherein we need to talk to the person, hindi na papadaanin pa sa kung ano pang, middleman. And it kind of make me feel that this is where mai-ace mo kung ano man itong communication na gusto mong iparating, no, dito kay person. But this is your quick reading, Pisces, January the 25th to the 26th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.